What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Alright, today I'm going to teach you the choreography that I made for the song called Let Me Love You by Mario. Okay, but before we start, I would like to give a shout out to my friends from Koi. Thanks for your support, and to Yoji Man. Also one of my friends at Kep's crew in the Philippines, Don. Yeah, so let's start. So for this one, we gotta face front, so we're gonna beat a little bit. Be careful because the floor is still wet because it just stopped raining. All right, for this, we're gonna go front 1, okay, and 2, close, 3, and 4. Slowly to your left, 5, 6. Double chest to the front, 7, turn 8. All right, let's try one more time. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, side 3, and 4, 5, close, 6, chest, 7, 8. Got it? All right, next for this one, so turn 8, you gotta scoop 1 and open on 2. One more time, turn 1 and 2. Put your weight to your right, 3 and 4. Go 5, shoulder 6, step 7, and 8. Copy? One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so let's try first and second. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, and 4. Slippery. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, next. So for this one, you're gonna go to the back 1, chest on 2. Point to the front, change to the left 3, chest 4. Step to left 5, and all right, and 6. At 6, go 7, 8. One more time. Suppose we lift the left one. One more time from here. 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and left 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's go on. 7, 8. You're gonna go change. Point to your right. 1, double. Sorry, this one is 2 count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back. Go 5, cross, and 6. Then point to your mind. 7 and 8. One more time. I missed the counting. So 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 3. Back on 4, 5, 6. Copy. Then 7 and 8. Okay. Let's try 4 8s. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slippery. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, chest. Point. 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Go 1, chest. 2, drop, and 4, 5, 6, head on 7 and 8. You got it? All right, last 2/8. For this one, we're gonna do ad lib for 2/8. Just 1/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and face to your left. Okay? So next, you're gonna go back. 1, 2, 3. Watch and 4. Side. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Let's go on. Go. 5, 6. Cross. Open. And finish. Alright? Until there. One more time. So from ad lib, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Face to your left. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Go hook, tap, 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 and close. Let's try all of it from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so slippery. 7, 8. 1, 2, and back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 4 counts ad lib only. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new on this channel. Alright? I'm going to upload more videos soon, hopefully by next after 2 weeks from now. Because we don't know when the studio will reopen due to the coronavirus here in Hong Kong. Alright? Again, thank you and be safe everybody. Bye bye. See you next time.